In this video, I'm going to show you how I edit with Adobe Premiere nowadays. It's super simple, and I just did a video about how I post to Instagram, so I'm just going to walk you through the process. I'm going to go ahead and synchronize my clips. I record my video with my camera, and then I record the audio through a microphone on the computer. I'll go to Window Text to open the text panel. I'll transcribe the clips, and then I'm going to go to Filter, Pauses, and then before you do that, basically you can go to search settings and then determine the minimum pause. So filter, pauses, delete all. So it just took out all the silences, which is pretty cool. Here's the cool part. I'll just interact with the text panel. So here we go. Hey, what's up? I'm gonna show you something cool that I did because I love posting content. So I always mess up. I'm not as well spoken as I might seem on my channel, but I can see here where it says I love posting constant, I love posting. I can already see that I need to edit that out. And the last take is always the best take because I wouldn't move on unless I completed or said the sentence to my satisfaction. So I'm just gonna start going through and just some tips. Click on it. You can push pause and it'll go ahead and follow along inside of the timeline. So you don't really have to mess with the timeline. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the cursor and just go ahead and select this. What I'll do is I'll just do control click and then ripple delete. So
I love posting content on Instagram stories. If you want to watch TikToks, but not if you want to see.
Okay, so if you want to watch TikToks, so that's a mistake. So I'll just push delete. See, when I push delete, it doesn't ripple delete. So I don't know why that's the case. So I'll just go ahead and manually select it.
If you want to.
So control click, ripple delete.
If you want to see all the funny TikToks, but not actually have to join TikTok.
So basically, I'll just keep going through the script, and all I have to do is just keep doing play, pause.
Hey, this is Luke. This is Luke, and I'm gonna show you.
And it's pretty accurate. Keyboard placement. I'm gonna keep my pinky on the control key and then my thumb on the space bar to stop and start. So I just go through my whole video like that. The only thing, sometimes the auto remove silences cuts off a word or two, and in order to fix that, let's test it out here. See how the cut is right here?
For 2 playlists.
Hey, so if I wanted the word playlist to be a little bit longer, I'm gonna hold down Option and Command, and the cursor will turn yellow. So I'll just extend it, and then I'll move the cursor here, and I'll do Shift Q. And it'll automatically expand the clips where the playhead is. If I wanted to do it from the right, I would do Shift W, because you think the playhead is in between Q and W, so everything in front is Q, everything behind is W. So I'm going to go ahead and activate V2 because I have 2 layers, and I'm going to do Shift Q again, and now you can see here there's a silence. Now I'll just push W and it'll cut from the current playhead position to the front. But basically that's it. Load the files, filter for pauses, delete all, and then go through and then use the mouse to ripple delete. Whenever you're totally finished, sometimes there is little small parts here that you want to take out. So make sure that all of these are activated. I'll push home to go to the beginning, push plus, and then down, D, Z, D, Z. I do have my keyboard shortcuts set for ripple delete for Z, and I'll show you how to do that right now. You just type ripple delete and then click here and just make sure to put Z. That way it makes it easy. So let's go back. Down. I'm just looking for the small ones. So I do DZ, DZ, DZ. And that's it.